tips for a smart custom home design. Once you have gotten over the conundrum of buying or building a home, and you have decided to build a house rather than buy one, the next step is to find the right design. Putting together a smart custom home design that reflects your personality and taste yet fits your needs and budget takes proper planning. The planning stage will determine if your custom-built house will fulfill your dreams. The following tips will help you in planning your smart home design. Decide what type of home you want. This is the first step in planning your design. There are different house styles that can offer you with different ideas. When you find a home that is appealing to you, determine which features and characteristics are attractive to you. Take note of these features, or you can also take photos. You don't need to decide how to implement those yet, but you will eventually decide on how to best fit them into your design plan. Set a list of criteria. Start simple. It is best to start with the basics when creating a list of criteria for your custom home design. Firstly, determine the number of bedrooms you need, as well as the number of bathrooms and family areas. You must also decide whether you want an open floor plan, or you want to have a more formal dining and living room area. You must also decide if you want a porch or a deck. Once you have come up with a list, you must then plan a design for each room. It is advisable to list down the features that are most important to you, including the features for the kitchen, bathroom, master bedroom, and so on. Another tip is to plan for the future. If you are a couple who is planning to have children in the future, you must accommodate those future needs.